What's up everybody, it's that guy Skimpy, and this is gonna be another Got a Question video. So I get asked the same two questions all the time. The two questions are, does Do It Molds pay me? And the other one is, how did I get hooked up with Do It Molds? So we'll go with the first question first. The first question is, does Do It Molds pay me? The answer is no. Do It Molds does not give me any money to make these videos. I love making these videos, and that's that. That being said, Do It Molds does send me materials from time to time to help me to make these videos. Okay. Number two, how did I get hooked up with Do It Molds? I've been making how-to videos and bait making videos for a long time, and I've always used Do It Molds, and I was very active on their forum, which is custombaits.com, and they saw one of my videos, they liked it, and we started messaging each other and stuff like that, and they offered to send me some materials to help me make another video, and the rest is history. And so every now and then they send me more materials to make different videos and stuff, and you know, I make the baits and I go try them out, and then you know, I make the videos. So yeah, those are the two most questions I get is, does Do It Molds pay me, and how did I get hooked up with them? So all right guys, there you go, that's it. That guy Skimpy.